Welcome back to Big Ass Slabs. Today I am doing some brace layout, marking and cutting brace material. What I have here right now is a 24-inch brace, meaning that from the corner of the timber, where the two timbers meet, down to the toe of the brace is 24 inches, or 2 feet. That translates into the bottom exposed portion of the timber, of the brace I mean, this portion. You know, if this was hanging there, this would be the bottom exposed portion of the brace, being 33 and 15/16 long. Now, on the layout, these are 4x6 braces, 45-degree angle. So I start by just marking a square edge on the timber, and I know that I'm going to have a 3.5-inch tenon go into the brace pocket with a 1/2-inch housing. So that brings me to the toe of the brace, being 2.5 inches in from the tip. So I make that mark and I turn my speed square around, make a 45-degree angle there, and then at the top I also make another 45-degree angle, and I measure off along here a 1/2 inch, which is where the tenon's actually going to get cut, because that's going to be a 1/2 inch housing that's hidden in the timber. So there, I slide this along, give a little nudge so you can see, and I measure from the toe of the brace out to the toe of the other end is going to be 33 and 15/16. Now when I'm measuring from a point like that, I like to take the 10-inch mark on the tape, add 10 inches to my measurement, so I'm actually measuring 43 and 15/16 here. Now, same sort of thing. I mark my angles here, 45 there. I measure up 3.5 and then also 1/2 inch. And I make my mark for the end of the brace, and then I make a mark for where the housing goes. So I line up my compound miter saw, ready to cut the 45s. Turn on my dust collector system. Slide along and cut my other 45s on the other end. that now has the angles cut on both ends. Now I have about 25 of these to do. I'm doing the layout and the initial 45-degree cuts, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how I cut out the tenons. Okay, now I'm back today and cutting my tenons on these braces. I've got the saw set so that it goes down to 1 7/8 inches along here, and then after I cut that, I'll set it up to cut along here to take this block out. Okay, so I've made that first cut. Now I've got the brace clamped down to the table saw bed. And I'll mark off my line for cutting with the skill saw at 1 7/8 inches, so that I'm taking approximately 2 1/8 inch off. The 1 7/8 inches allows me to fit nicely and easily into the mortise pocket that I've cut for the braces. Now my skill saw only cuts down to 2 1/2 inches, and I've got a 3-inch tenon on these, so a little bit of handsaw work just to finish off the cut. Finally, to finish, just to clean up the rough edge on my cut, just run the chisel just along the inside, just pare down that little bit that's left. So that's the completed tenon for the brace. It's a 3-inch long tenon by 1 7/8 inches to fit into the 2-inch brace pocket that I've cut on the timbers. Now, please take a minute and subscribe to my channel. You can also check me out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.